BillTracker Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to my BillTracker Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to the product have been added to the description below. BillTracker is a dedicated bill management app designed specifically to help users stay on top of recurring payments and avoid late fees. Unlike general budgeting apps that cover income, expenses, and savings, BillTracker focuses entirely on tracking, managing, and reminding you about your bills. This makes it ideal for people who want a clear and organized way to manage utilities, subscriptions, loan payments, credit card bills, and more. The app allows you to manually enter all your bills, including due dates, amounts, and payment methods. Once set up, BillTracker creates a calendar view that shows all upcoming bills in an easy-to-read format, helping you see exactly what's due and when. There's also a list view for those who prefer a more traditional layout. One of the most useful features is the reminder system, which sends notifications before a bill is due, so you never miss a payment. BillTracker also lets you mark bills as paid once you complete them, giving you a clear running record of what's been handled and what's still outstanding. This history can be useful for budget reviews or even for tax preparation if you need to track specific types of payments. The app is highly customizable, allowing you to set recurring bills, adjust payment cycles, and even categorize bills if you want extra organization. Who is this app made for? It's perfect for busy professionals, families managing household expenses, freelancers with variable incomes, or anyone juggling multiple bills. If you've ever missed a payment because you forgot about it, or you just want to see all your financial obligations in one place, BillTracker delivers exactly that. It's important to note that BillTracker is focused only on bills. It's not a full-featured budgeting tool with spending analysis, savings goals, or investment tracking. But if your main priority is keeping bills under control, this app does it efficiently, clearly, and without unnecessary complexity. If you want to take control of your recurring payments and avoid late fees, check out the link in the description to see if BillTracker fits your needs.